Jai Sriman Narayana. The following commentary I am about to give is by Ramanujadasa Sriman Gattu Venugopala Swami. Chapter 2 Sankhya Yoga Sloka 12.
नत्वेवाहं जातुनासं नत्वं नेमे जनाधिपाः न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयम् अतः परम् Om.
Bhagavan Sri Krishna was teaching Arjuna that, Arjuna, there was never a time when I didn't exist. I was existing earlier. Likewise, there was never a time when even you didn't exist. You were also existing earlier. Not just you, all the kings and soldiers present here. There was never a time when even they didn't exist. They were also existing earlier. Arjuna, even in the future, there will never be a time when all of us, me, you, all these kings and soldiers, everyone cease to exist. In the future, we will still be existing. That means that all of us were existing in the past, existing in the present, and will also be existing in the future as well. This is how Bhagavan Sri Krishna was teaching Arjuna. Bhagavan Sri Krishna was saying, Arjuna, I am omnipresent. I am spread across and present everywhere. I am present in all bodies. This is why I am called as Paramatma. Arjuna, you are only spread across or present to the extent of your body. So, you are known as the Atma. So, now I am existent in this body. So, I was non existent earlier? No, I was existent then also. Will I be non existent in the future? No, I will still be existing. So, in the past, I was present and existing. In the present, you can see me right now. In the future, I will still be existing, just in another body. It is my nature to be present in all bodies and everywhere. Now, coming to you, you are present or existing in this body. You and your body are different. You are existing in this body, and because you are present only to the extent of this body, you are known as Atma. Even in the past, you are existent in another body. Now, you are existent in this body. Even in the future, you will be existent in another body. So that means you are present in the past, present and future. So, now you understand that you and I are different. Likewise, Arjuna, the soldiers, animals that you see before you are only present and existing to the extent of their bodies. So, they are also called as Atmas. You are able to differentiate each individual, right? The Atmas are different. They obtain their respective bodies according to their karmas and are only present to the extent of their bodies. They are also known as Atmas. Even if these Atmas present before us, we can see a difference between them, right? Just like you and me. All these Atmas were also existent in the past, present, and future. According to all this, it is clearly evident that I am different from you. It is evident that all these Atmas, which is you and everyone here, are different from me. Even in all these Atmas, you can see a difference in each of them. This is what Bhagavan Sri Krishna was clarifying to Arjuna and through Arjuna to all of us of what has been declared in Veda Sastram. He was explaining the difference between Atma and Paramatma and the difference between each of the Atmas. Through this sloka, the message and lesson we should understand and obey is the fact that I will always be existent and Bhagavan is also always existent. I am grieving and Bhagavan is forever in an endless state of peaceful happiness. We should recall every day that even I should obtain an endless state of peaceful happiness. To obtain the level of content, our only option is to take refuge in Sriman Narayana, who is the Paramatma that is present in the happiness. Taking refuge in him should be done immediately while we are present in his body. We must remember this every day. Let us all take refuge in Sriman Narayana.
नत्वेवाहं जातुनासं नत्वं नेमे जनाधिपाः न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयम् अतः परम् ॐ नत्वेवाहं जातुनासं नत्वं नेमे जनाधिपाः न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परम् ॐ श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु जय श्रीमन्नारायण
The entire essence of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is given by Sri Krishna Paramatma in chapter 18 slokas 65 to 70 to do 8 things. Sri Krishna says, I love those who follow these 8 things. I will protect those devotees in all kinds of ways. After listening to all of Bhagavad Gita spoken by Sri Krishna Paramatma, Arjuna says, Karishe Vachanam Tava, which means, Krishna, I will do as you say. This is why Sri Krishna has bestowed Arjuna all kinds of successes and victories. Let's give Paramatma our oath that we will observe these 8 actions. There is no puja, tapas, or yajna that is greater than giving this word to Paramatma. I will say these 8 oaths we should make. You all please think this in your mind and heart. In this way of us giving Sri Krishna our word, let us all visualize Sri Krishna's face beaming with joy and feel bliss. Jai Shriman Narayana. These are our 8 promises. O Sriman Narayana, as you instructed, I will always meditate upon and think of you. O Sriman Narayana, as you advised, I will always be your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I will perform all my actions as service to you and for your satisfaction. O Sriman Narayana, as you said to follow, I have great faith that I belong to you and I will always join my hands together and do namaskaram to you and worship you. O Sriman Narayana, I recall your words, Mam Ekam Saranam Bhraja, that you said to surrender to you alone. Sriman Narayana, I surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I recall your words, Ma Suchaha, that you are giving us reassurance to not grieve. I shall no longer grieve. O Sriman Narayana, you have graced and blessed us all by delivering Srimad Bhagavad Gita for our sake. I promise to read or listen to at least one sloka daily. O Sriman Narayana, you delivered Gita to all humanity. I will try to spread your divine words in Gita to those devotees that are unfamiliar with Gita. We just made our 8 promises to Paramatma, giving Sriman Narayana our word each day that we will do as he says itself is a great puja. Let's give him our promise with our unshakable faith. O Sriman Narayana, I will do as you say, I will behave as you wish, and I will work only for you. Sriman Narayana, Karishe Vachanam Tava, which means, Sriman Narayana, I will act according to your instructions. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanam Astu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let's spend 1 minute daily and read Narayana Astram. In order to obtain Narayana Astram, go to Narayana Astram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayana Astram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads or listens to their Narayana Astram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Sotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.